In order to do the soldering job, we have to take the soldering iron, clean the tip on the sponge, and after taking a little solder in your left hand, you approach both the solder and the soldering iron to the desired joint. Clean again the tip, and you can go to the next joint and so forth until we complete the soldering jobs. A good soldering job looks like a little cone around the lid. So if it's not, we should rectify the soldering job until completing with a little solder and remelting the joint.